What do lymphoma clinical trial phases mean? Imagine you're curious about a new treatment for lymphoma and want to understand how it gets tested before it becomes widely available. Clinical trials are the way researchers carefully evaluate new therapies, and they go through several important phases. Each phase has a specific goal and involves different numbers of people to ensure safety and effectiveness. The first step is called Phase 0. This is a very early and small trial involving about 10 to 20 people. Researchers give a tiny dose of the new treatment to see how it behaves in the body. They want to know if the treatment reaches the tumor and acts as expected. This phase helps decide if further testing is worthwhile. Participants usually don't get any direct benefit, but the risks are low because the dose is minimal. Next is Phase 1, where about 15 to 50 people participate. The focus here is safety. Researchers test different doses to find the safest amount to give and how to give it, whether by mouth or through enrollment 4. They closely watch for side effects and how the treatment affects the lymphoma. The goal is to determine the best dose for future studies and understand any short-term risks. In Phase 2, the trial involves more people, often 50 to 100 or more. This phase usually targets specific types of lymphoma. The main goal is to see if the treatment shows signs of working, like shrinking tumors or stopping their growth. Safety continues to be monitored, and researchers look for any side effects. If the treatment appears promising, it can move on to larger studies. Phase 3 involves large numbers of participants, sometimes hundreds or even thousands. These trials compare the new treatment directly against the current standard therapy. The goal is to see if the new option is more effective or safer. The results from these studies are critical because they help authorities decide whether to approve the treatment for wider use. After a treatment is approved, it enters Phase 4. These studies happen in real-world settings and involve many more people over a longer period. They monitor long-term safety and effectiveness, gathering additional data to ensure the treatment remains beneficial and safe for everyone. Understanding these phases helps patients and advocates see where a treatment stands in its development journey. It also highlights the importance of participating in clinical trials, which are essential for discovering better therapies and improving outcomes for lymphoma patients. Always remember, decisions about joining a trial should be made in consultation with healthcare professionals who can provide personalized advice based on the latest scientific evidence.